Assalamu alaikum.
हाँ, आ गया। हेलो। हेलो। हेलो।
Yes, Gaussar.
Yes, I can hear now. हेलो। कर दिया। अच्छा, होस्ट बनाइए मुझे। जी। हाँ।
Now, Gaussar,
यस।
you are host.
हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। होप you are all fine. Yesterday's class I couldn't take. Are you able to hear me, Shahid bhai?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Please continue.
Yesterday's class I couldn't take. Mr. Nadeem sir has taken the class. So we were we have discussed about the generations of computer in the first class. What are the generations of computer? Like in the first generation, vacuum tubes had been used, and in the second generation, transistors were used, and in the third generation IC chips are used, and in the fourth generation, like again, VLSI technology is used, and in the fifth generation also VLSI technology and ultra large scale integrated circuit analysis technology is being used. So coming to the how computer looks. So computer looks and what is that? I will share my PPT here, which I made. Wait a minute. Uh, I want to share file. I'm going to check how can I. Okay, I will share screen. Can you see the screen, Shahid sir? Can you see the screen? I'm sharing the screen. Okay, did you make host to me? No, I can't share the file here. I'm checking how to share the file. I want to share file. Okay, oh, on the no, I can't see here. Here, I want to share file from here. Okay. Are you able to see the screen? I'm you didn't make me a host so that I can share the file. Yes. Okay, I'm sharing the screen now. So you can see the me. I will share the PPT. So we are doing this course now, diploma in computer application, right? So we will go for the first slide. To set step to open computer. How generally we open the computer? So you have to go at start computer, press start button and CPU tower. On the CPU tower, step 2, wait while the computer boots. When the computer has finished the booting, it will show the dialog box that will ask for a username and password. So first we will see how it is. You might have seen the cabinet, how it looks, and how you will start the computer. So this is how the picture you are seeing. The cabinet is there in the physical form of computer. You will have their button, or in the laptop you will have small button. You will on the computer. First you have to check that whether power supply is connected or not. When power supply is there, you can just click on the computer start button and on the computer. That's what he said. Press the start button on CPU tower. Step 2 is wait while the computer boots. It takes some time to get start the computer. When the computer has finished booting, it will show a dialog box that will ask for you a username and password. So it will ask if you have maintained the username and password. So it will ask you the username and password. If you don't have the username or the lock system to the computer Windows, it will get automatically on. You need not to put the password. Sometime you should just click on the uh, switch, you will get enter if you don't have the password on it. So coming to the next step, step 2, screensaver. So we will look how the screensaver will be there. So if you just move out of the computer, the screen will come on your computer and it will move something on that. So to set up the screensaver, follow these steps. Right click that desktop. What you have to do on the desktop, you have to right click, choose personalize. There is option given. I will show in the screen sharing form also how it does work. Click the screensaver button. So there will be screensaver option. You have to click that, and from the screensaver drop down list, don't draw anything on the screen, please. Don't draw here. Choose the screensaver. From the screensaver drop list, you have to choose the screensaver and click the preview button, your screensaver of choice, so that you can see how it will be useful. Thank you. Okay, I can. Don't write anything, please. Samina Sultana, please don't write. I can see the names who are writing here on the screen. You have to listen the class carefully, what I am teaching. You should not do any mischievous things here. Please don't write who is this person again and again writing when I'm saying to them also. Annotate and clear, right? Okay. Who is this N who is on and on writing when I'm saying don't write also? So click the stop preview and OK, and click the close button. Now I will share the screen how to go in personalize and do these things, screen saving things. Can I use? How to remove this pen? I will remove the pen. Wait. So we were discussing about how to do screen sharing. I will write my name here. Rao sir.
Excuse me, class. Please don't
Okay.
do like this. Who are doing? Please, Gauss sir,
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Now guys, you can see here desktop. This is generally desktop. These are the icons on the desktop. So I'm just going on the middle of it. I'm just clicking right. So it gives weave, sort by, refresh, and all those things. So I will go in this personalize for the background. No, I will go here in screen personalize. So it will be showing here how to do the background and all. I will write here screensaver. Here it is there already, screensaver. Yes, even I can search from here. So I will show you in the 3D form or the black form, whatever you can do here. When you go away from the computer, this kind of text will appear if you write. This is the screensaver. Okay. So how many seconds after, how many minutes after resume will be there. So it will give the settings here, all those things. So you have to change, you can change the name as well from here, what is there. So settings, I will say Osir from Golconda, from Osir India, sorry, India. It's done. I can use the font as well here. I will take Cooper. Okay. And okay. Preview will show like this. Osir India. So you have to apply and make okay. On the screen, it will show. When you go away from computer, it will be making spin or all those things, whatever you have chosen. Again, I'm showing you have to, where I will show again. You have to go in the screens, personalize, right click first, go to personalize, screensaver. It is 3D, right? I can take photo as well, whatever photo. So I will take bubble. I will show you bubble, how it looks. So bubbles will come like this on the screen. You can see the bubbles. Just okay and apply. So this is the way how you will do. So again, I'm showing step to screensaver is that this is the step, and next is the step to background desktop. So you can easily change the desktop background in the Windows 7 to let your own personality shine through. right click a blank part of the desktop and choose the personalized control panel's personalization pan appears. Click the desktop option along the Windows button left corner. Same way what you did in here also you have to do. I will show the screen. So if you are using computer right now, you people can do. I will let you do the personalization of this background. So you have to click right and personalize. You can change background. You will see here mine. Please wait, it's showing. Background is changed. Again, like this, the background is changed. Landscape, background is changed. The Windows color also, like this. This is nature. You can see like this, how it's different. So I will choose one characteristic, some flowery type. No, I will choose this. I will choose this one. Okay. Any student can tell me who is using the desktop now and able to change the background like this. Any student can tell me. Okay, Furkhan. Wait, I will check the chat. I will check the chat.
Kausar,
Yes.
you can unmute Mr. What? Kausar Jhan. She is asking something. She has a question for asking.
Yes, I cannot see the Zoom meeting here properly. I cannot see the option how to make unmute. Okay. Okay, Kausar Jahan can ask the question.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum.
जी सर, अब मैं यूज कर रही हूँ लैपटॉप।
Okay. Just speak louder.
वो स्क्रीन सेवर
You
का
have
एक मतलब हेलो
हाँ screen saver.
हेलो
Yes, I can
एक
hear you.
मरतबा फिर से
I will show you again
रिपीट
how
करिए
to
सर।
do screen saver. Okay.
सर
This is the right click you are doing. Okay. Can you hear me? This is the right click you have done, and you go to personalize on the Windows 7, and you will have screensaver here. Okay. Then you take text or something here like this, and you take preview, it will show you.
Yes, sir.
When you go out of the computer and you are not doing anything, it will come like this. This is the screensaver. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. None 3D
I
text
can't hear
blank
you.
bubbles. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello? Can you speak
Hello.
louder?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Bubbles.
Can you speak louder?
None 3D text blank bubbles. Yes, sir.
Speak louder. I can't hear
Hello.
you. Hello?
Speaking, sir. Hello.
Hello?
Okay.
हाँ हेलो जी सर मैं
जी।
जोर से बोल रही हूँ।
हाँ जी बोलिए, कुछ कह रहे थे।
हाँ यहाँ स्क्रीन सेवर पे बबल जी वही बबल्स नन 3D टेक्स्ट ब्लैंक बबल्स वगैरह बता रहा।
हाँ हाँ
Okay.
इसको ओके करना है।
Okay. How
जी,
to
bubbles
make
को
the
click कर
bubbles
दिए।
on the screensaver? Again, I'm showing. You have to right click in the personalize.
जी सर।
You go for screensaver. It is
Yes.
their option, right? Bubbles.
Bubbles.
When you make this down, scroll down, and you take the bubble,
जी
and you can check the preview like this.
प्रीव्यू ओके यस सर
Okay.
यस सर
Some other person was also raising the hand. I couldn't see that.
नेक्स्ट
Okay, is anyone want to ask the question? Any more person want to ask the question? I will unmute Kausar Jahan.
हेलो
Okay,
Sir.
who is this?
जी क्वेश्चन है तो बोलो भाई और कोई क्वेश्चन है
Galaxy, who
Please answer.
ask unmute.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum assalam.
सर अपन ये स्क्रीन सेवर मोड अगर चेंज कर रहे हैं तो सर अपने को मतलब बेनिफिट क्या रहेगा सर डेस्कटॉप के लिए?
आपका नाम क्या है?
मोहम्मद शादाब।
मोहम्मद शादाब. ओके, इसका बेनिफिट क्या है पूछ रहे हैं ना आप?
जी हाँ सर।
इसका बेनिफिट ये रहेगा कि कौन कंप्यूटर को यूज कर रहे हैं, ये किसका कंप्यूटर है, थोड़ी देर के बाद भी आप हट भी गए कंप्यूटर पे तो आपका नाम ऐसा रोल होते रहेगा या बबल की तरह बबल आएंगे या स्पिन आएंगे, तो ये आपका यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन है। स्क्रीन सेवर पे आप कुछ लिख लेते तो ये आपका कंप्यूटर है, नोट होता बस।
ओके ऐसा सर अपन ये अब जब अपन टाइप करके उसके अंदर अपना जैसे एग्जांपल मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शादाब है, मैं टाइप करके रख दिया उसके अंदर, तब वो यानी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग मोड में चले जाएगा जब मेरा नाम आएगा, तो कब तक के लिए रहेगा सर उसके अंदर? परमानेंट रहेगा या सिस्टम जब
हाँ,
तक
जब तक के स्क्रीन ऑन रहा जब तक वो फिरते रहेंगे।
ओके
ठीक है ना?
ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ओके, चलो अब मैं जो है ना ये गैलेक्सी 6M क्या है, M30 कौन है ये?
वही है शादाब जिनको बोले थे।
सर शादाब मेरा ही नाम है सर, मेरा ही है। अभी हटा दिया, मैं रिजाइन किया था।
ओके, अब हम जाएंगे, चलो फिर से क्लास में अपने पीपीटी में। मीटिंग विल एंड इन 10 मिनट्स। ओके, ये था बैकग्राउंड सेटअप कैसा करते वो देख लिए अपन। अब जो है स्टार्ट बटन क्या है देखेंगे। स्टार्ट बटन starts allow you to access your computer program and configure Microsoft Windows easily by accessing the start menu. So it's very easy. What is the start button? Whenever you open the computer, first thing you will observe here, start button. Guys, you can see the screen. Start button is there over here. And it is when I move my cursor here, it is saying start. From here, you can do access, you can do modification, you can do configuration. Actually, all those things there. Allows you to access your computer programs, configure Microsoft Windows easily by accessing start menu. This is how when I go in the start button, it will help me to take anything. For example, there is a programs here. I will show many programs are there. I will ask you to recommend you to use the laptop or desktop in your home. Just don't be on mobiles so that it will be difficulty. I will ask you to use your laptops and all those things. It will help you to understand. So the programs and all those things are been shown here. First thing you will see here, computer, games, control panels, all those things. In start button, you can also write and search from here, search bar. For example, I want paint. Paint is there. So I can go directly from here into the paint. Paint is open. So I can write anything, I can draw anything here. I can use my drawing from here in the painting. So this is how you have been in from here from the start button. So this is the start button. There is many things we can access from here. Sticky notes, if you want to take the sticky notes, you can write something. You can write something. Hello, this is DCA class, like that. You can write many things here from here. So I will be coming to the next point. What is the start button? It's okay. There is a start menu from where you can access. Now taskbar. Start allows you, okay, sorry, taskbar. Taskbar is the thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is split into a number of different areas: a round start button, quick launch icon, and notification area, and a clock. So I will show you what is the taskbar. My cursor is visible to you, right? This is the taskbar. This you can see is a taskbar. This what you can see. On here the start menu is there. Here the time network sharing area is there. The time and date is there. And your open icons can readily be accessed from here on the start bar. So this is the start bar. Actually what it is, taskbar is a thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is split into a number of different areas: a round start button, quick launch icon, a notification area, and clock. All those things you can see. So I will show you again. Here if you open, there is customization and all. You can check the sound, if there is internet is connected and all. What are the devices are there, like this network area, you can go from here. So this is how the taskbar is helping you. You can go from here, see the date and time, and you can change the date and time from here. All those things are there. So coming to the next point, how to shut down the computer. We are almost finished with this slide. Turn your PC off completely to start. Select the start and then start power shutdown. Move your mouse to the lower left hand corner of the screen. Right click the start button, tap. Click the shutdown or sign out and close the shutdown. So in computer, unlike we use our mobile phone, we need not to do shutdown there. So in computer, after you have used it and you have stored data and all those things there, you have to do shutdown of the computer. So on this screen, I will show you how you have to do shutdown. If I do shutdown now, it will get power off. So I'm not doing shutdown here. Just I'm showing you from here. Again, you do the click on the start menu. On the left side, it will show shutdown. So in the shutdown, you can use the switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep, or shutdown. These are before the shutdown. If you want to just log off, whatever you are doing, you want to just log off, means you want to go for, after example, you are using computer from long time and you want to go for washroom or you want to have tea, you just get log off, and when you come back again, it will show you how to use open and do the process. Someone is raising the question hand. I will let them to ask the question. Who is raising hand? Okay, ask to unmute. Nabil Khan can ask the question.
Hello sir, Assalamualaikum. Yes sir. Hello sir, Assalamualaikum.
Speak louder. Okay.
Sir, when yes sir, sir, when we use sleep mode, then and we are working on something notepad or word वगैरह, तो ज़्यादा हो जाता है क्या? कैसे करें?
I can't hear you. You have to repeat the question
Hello?
again. Okay. Repeat the question
Sir,
again.
if we are using notepad or word, sir, if we are using word or notepad doing some work and we use sleep mode, then what happens?
Please ask again. I can't hear you. Nabil Khan.
Sir, if we yes sir, if we are using we are doing some one notepad and word or word, then and we use sleep mode, what happens then?
Sleep mode, nothing happens. Just when if you are using this, all those things. For example, I'm using my PowerPoint presentation. If I just go and you do the sleep
Yes,
mode,
sir.
it will save the power. It will save the power.
Yes sir.
So I can go for washroom,
Yes,
I
sir.
can go for tea, I can go for
yes sir.
lunch, all those things.
Okay. Thank you sir.
Okay.
Jazakallah.
You are welcome.
Mhm.
Abdul Rauf want to ask the question. Abdul Rauf want to ask the question.
Sir, hello sir.
Okay.
Sir, can
Are
you
you
able
Abdul
to
Rauf?
hear me, sir? Sir, how to bring clock on the computer screen, sir? I am not able to understand that process.
Okay. I haven't shown you how to bring the clock on the computer.